Here's a how-to that is so pointless, and this is so obvious that to make a how-to on this is just totally ridiculous. But in any case, I'm doing it, and it goes down like this. So if you're trying to add any reinforcement plates or anything like this to the front of your E90 or similar, and it is attached to the subframe, so the subframe would have these hexagonal holes, I guess, or openings that are meant to be used for nut sorts or whatever, threaded inserts, whatever people call these. The threads are M10 by 1.5. So these are BMW original ports. Here is the bag, here is the port numbers. So I'm trying to install some additional reinforcement plates. It is completely custom. Some people use M3 under pan plate, but you kind of have to, it doesn't really fit, you have to cut it. So in a nutshell, I need to install these threaded inserts, and the how-to that was supposed to be really short and super short is becoming too long. So to install these inserts, all you have to do is find an M10 by 1.5 screw. In this case, this one has a washer, so I got some anti-seize on the threads and between the washer and the head of the screw, so it spins freely. Put the bolt, screw this bolt all the way into the threaded insert like so, slide it all the way in, put a wrench on it, press it against the subframe and just start turning it like so. So the bolt turns, the insert doesn't. It gets, the back side of it gets pulled down and pressed against the inner surface of the subframe, or the inner surface of this. In any case, the back side of the insert starts to collapse, and it just basically sandwiches itself onto the subframe, and you just go as far as you have to, because eventually it will collapse. And well, I can actually finish doing this when I have my plate attached. So, and there it is, one insert in. Now I can attach my plate here, put a bolt like this. Well, I guess I'm probably going to use this bolt, and just attach that plate. And that's all that it takes to install these threaded inserts. Like I said, they are BMW original parts. Really beautiful installation. But you can only install these into pre-cut hexagonal holes, because if it's something like this one round, this will not work, because the back of the insert is a hex that fits into wherever else it fits. There's a few smaller hex holes, but they're meant to be used with like smaller inserts. I don't really even know what this may. Sure, there's a whole lot of them. I'm adding 4 of these inserts and a couple of reinforcement plates, like I said. So let's move on to the rest and finish this job. Really simple, short and pointless how-to, I guess. If someone needed to have a reference or an idea, at least an idea how it's done, well, that's how it's done.